My kids love Cracker Barrel pancakes. However, as a family of 6 on 1 income, it is more of a treat than a regular outing. So I set out on a mission to try to find a copycat Cracker Barrel pancakes so I can make for my children for breakfast. As I was trying different recipes, I was looking for a very specific texture. Cracker Barrel pancakes are moist, they're not dry, they're also not overly fluffy. So trying to find that very distinct texture took me quite a few tries. Many recipes that I have tried miss that one ingredient, and that is buttermilk. Buttermilk contains a small amount of fat that makes the crumb of a pancake much richer as opposed to milk. After many unsuccessful attempts of making the perfect buttermilk Cracker Barrel copycat recipe, when I finally came across the recipe that I'm sharing with you guys today, when my kids tried it, they all said in one voice, "Mama, this tastes just like Cracker Barrel pancakes." My kids are brutally honest when it comes to giving their feedback and sharing what they think about a specific recipe. So when they said that this recipe tasted just like Cracker Barrel pancakes, I knew that this recipe was a keeper. In our family, I have some kids that love meat with their breakfast, like breakfast sausage and eggs. I also have some kids that just want straight pancakes and nothing else with it. What I love about making Cracker Barrel copycat pancakes at home is that it is very inexpensive. This is a very frugal recipe. It costs me approximately, I would say on average, $2 per batch, and that feeds my whole family. And unlike buying pancake mixes at a grocery store, I don't have to worry about all the added preservatives in this recipe. So as a mom, I feel good feeding this meal to my children. When I make these pancakes, we have no leftovers. My children love this pancake recipe, and they do feel like it's a treat when I make it at home. I also love that these pancakes freeze beautifully. I often make double batch, put it in the freezer, so when we do have busy mornings when we have to get up and go, I can pull them out, toast them, and my kids can still enjoy homemade pancakes for breakfast. So my friend, next time you crave Cracker Barrel pancakes at home, give this recipe a try and don't forget to like and subscribe.